What's up guys, this is Lou with Dragonfire Tools, and this is the 22 drawer Midnight Pro Series roll around cabinet. This cabinet is massive. At over 7 feet tall and over 7 feet wide, there is nothing that you won't be able to store in here. We've got twin cabinets up top, 2 41.5-inch wide drawers. We've got 4 thin drawers, 12 deep drawers, and then we have 4 ultra deep drawers. This cabinet features all steel welded frame construction with 14 gauge powder coated drawer fronts and 14 gauge 304 stainless steel handles. Everything on this cabinet locks. The twin cabinets up top have a fully adjustable shelf inside. With 6 heavy duty swivel casters underneath, you have 4 locking swivels and then 2 regular swivels in the center. This cabinet weighs in at over 1,500 pounds. Don't waste another minute waiting to get your shop or garage organized. Head on over to dragonfiretools.com and pick up this bad boy.